I'm going to write a Python program in Ubuntu without installing anything extra. Ubuntu comes with Python, and Nano is a text editor, so I will do this. First, I want to CD and put it in desktop so it's easy to get to. Now, I'll say Nano, hit enter, then I'll write some code. Just say what time it is. Import time, print time dot time. Save it, Control X, I'll call it a.py. Why not? Wait, I don't know what I did. Anyway, the a.py. Enter. There we go. Now I can say ls, make sure it's in there. Yep, there it is. Alright, so now I will say Python 3a.py, and there you go. There's a number of seconds since 1970 or whatever it was. That's a simple way to write code in Python on Ubuntu without installing anything extra. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks. Bye.